Meaning of feudal.
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 Feudal. The term feudal generally refers to a type of social, political, and economic system that was prevalent in medieval Europe. In this system, the nobility held significant power and authority, while peasants and serfs worked the land and had little or no say in political matters. Feudalism also involved a system of vassalage, where lower-ranking lords pledged loyalty and service to their superiors in exchange for land and protection. This complex social and economic hierarchy led to a highly stratified society where upward mobility was limited. Overall, the feudal system had a profound impact on European history, shaping the political, economic, and social landscape of that era and beyond.